Ukrainian forces said Saturday that they entered Kupiansk in eastern Ukraine, dislodging Russian troops from a key logistics hub in a lightning counteroffensive that has seen swathes of territory recaptured. Ukrainian special forces published images on social media showing camouflage-clad officers with automatic weapons in Kupiansk. It was and will always be Ukrainian, their statement said. The town of some 27,000 people, which sits on a crucial supply route for Russian forces in the east, fell within the first week after the Kremlin ordered its invasion of Ukraine on February 24th. Observers of the conflict expect Ukrainian forces to announce further gains in the Kharkiv region, which borders Russia and has been either controlled by Russia or shelled by its artillery for months. Kiev's troops had also routed Russian forces from Izium, an important staging ground for Russia's war effort, with a pre-war population of around 45,000 people. But images flooding social media appear to show Ukrainian forces within the city, and Russian observers of the conflict said there were initial reports Moscow's army had already withdrawn. Ukrainian troops are advancing in eastern Ukraine, liberating more cities and villages. Their courage, coupled with Western military support, brings astonishing results, Foreign Ministry spokesman Oleg Nikolenko said in a statement on social media. It's crucial to keep sending arms to Ukraine. Defeating Russia on the battlefield means winning peace in Ukraine, he added. His assessment of the pace of the Ukrainian gains came after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky announced late Friday that his troops had retaken some 30 towns and villages in the northeastern Kharkiv region as part of the sweep. Moscow, meanwhile, did not admit setbacks, saying Saturday that it was regrouping its forces in the eastern Kharkiv region. To achieve the goals of the special military operation to liberate Donbass, a decision was made to regroup Russian troops stationed in the Balaklia and Izium regions to bolster efforts along the Donetsk front, Russia's defense ministry said in a statement. Ukraine's push appears to have caught Russian troops largely off guard. The head of the Russian-installed administration of the Izium told the state news agency RIA Novosti that the situation in the region was very difficult. For the past 2 weeks, the city has been targeted by bombardments by Ukrainian forces, which is causing serious destruction and causing many deaths and injuries, Vladislav Sokolov told RIA Novosti. Moscow on Friday made the surprise announcement that it was dispatching reinforcements to Kharkiv, with images on state media showing tanks and artillery and support vehicles moving in columns on dirt roads. The capture of urban hubs like Kupiansk and Izium would be a significant blow to Russia's ability to effectively resupply positions on the eastern front line and could see Russia pushed back from Kharkiv entirely. Ukrainian troops were also advancing along portions of the southern front line, a spokesperson said Saturday, in some regions by dozens of kilometers into territory captured by Russian troops at the beginning of the invasion. Russian news agencies meanwhile reported 6 large explosions in Novokakhovka, a town held by Russian troops in the southern Kherson region.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.